guys, welcome to the video, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be continuing here on this Caddy. I'm going to continue on the most boring and tedious part of it. That's the underside. I did pick up a nice exhaust pipe so I can cut this muffler out of here. But first, I'm going to the junkyard. And the junkyard are always fun. So let's go. Okay guys, I'm back from the junkyard. Got a decent score, pretty happy. I bought these cargo doors. Mine are really dented, so and ugly and rust and stuff, so I'm happy about that. I did pick up a bumper. It needs a lot of love, but it's a different bumper. See, the sides are smooth and mine are with this ugly molding in there, so yeah. And I was looking for handbrake cables I bought from Golf Mark IV, the right side. I thought they were longer, but they're actually shorter because I'm an idiot. The middle ones are original from the Cupra, but they are too short. They're about 40 centimeters too short, about 15 inch. Not sure what I have to do here. And the left one are the original, but they are for drum brakes. So I think I need some custom cables, or I'm gonna have to dive into the internet to find a solution, because I've been to the junkyard twice now to find the right set, but I can't find them. So yeah, guys, maybe you have an idea. I would love some help. Oh well, we'll just continue to build here, so let's go, guys. Welcome to Struggle City. It's just my luck, guys. Everything is stuck or rusted. This pipe is a goner, guys. Again, it's almost rusted through right here. Major patch they did here, and it's some botch job. So I think I have to get a bend and weld something up, because I do have this guy to replace this end, you know. I was gonna chop it here and do a muffler delete, but yeah, I have to get Bart, so on to the next thing. guys. I did manage to use the fuel pump from the Cupra in the Caddy tank. Hopefully it works. Not sure yet, but I can always make a hybrid of that guy and this guy. But I wanted to keep the original plug, so that's why I used this one. But I'm not sure if the Caddy fuel pump has enough capacity to work on the Cupra, so that's why I did that. And I used the original Cupra fuel lines, so I can use the clips for the original on the engine side, so that should work out great. Yeah guys, it was struggle city this week, or these 2 weeks. I didn't get much done, but it was so much work, guys. I lost 2 days with the handbrake cables and yeah, fighting that stupid exhaust. So, and I wanted to put the fuel tank on again, but let's peek in this hole. There's a sweet surprise. Of course, some rust. That's just my luck, guys. And also the hanger, the bolt broke off, so if I need to fight that guy. And yeah, this is all I have time for today, for these weeks, guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like to see me struggle, guys. Oh well, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching.